Hi guys, this is Hobo for another editor tutorial. This will be a very quick one, and it's going to be to demonstrate how to make a building build itself. We're going to demonstrate by using the example of a house. So, we're going to start by going to Data. We're going to go to Modifiers. We're going to create two modifiers. Actually, three modifiers. We're going to create two based off the yield, house regen, has to be lowercase in the string, house regen. Then we're going to clone house regen and call it house damage. We're going to change the icons here purely for sprite. For this one, we're going to want it to be a duration of 1. We want it to be 550. For the house regen, we want it to be duration 1. We want it to be actually 32 because that's the build time, and we want it to be 17.1875 because that's the HP of a house divided by the build time for it. Then we want to clone the heal aura and make it house damage aura. Says it's already a thing because it has the same name. So we're going to make that. For house damage aura, we're going to go right down here, change it to be the damage. We're going to do the exact same thing one more time to regen. Again, lowercase, regen. And this is going to apply the house regen. Now we're going to go over to abilities and go here. We're going to copy it off the train worker and say warping, warp in house. But it's a string, so we can't use spaces or capitals. From here, we're going to make unit type. We're going to go up here. We're going to do house. We're going to get rid of the descriptions right there. We're going to make it has autocast default. That's all we have to do for this part here. Now we want to go to buildings, make a clone of the house. We're going to say warp house, warp node house. What we want to do from there is go here, go down to the cost of the house itself and make it 0. Then we want to go to the warp node house. We want to do this, change the vision to 3. Then we want to change the build time to 0.0001. Next up, we want to add the commands. We want to make it warp in house. Then we want to add spawn modifiers. We want both of the auras. Next up, we want to go to abilities, and then we want build house. We want it to make the warp node house. We're going to change the get cost or get field cost here to be warp underscore house. And now let's test it. So we're going to take our worker, we're going to try to build the house now. So it did not damage itself, but it is starting to build itself. You'll see as it goes on that it will slowly bring itself back. Fix that. House damage. So right there's the problem. It should be negative 550. Let's try this one more time. So let's go back one more time. modifiers, heal damage, aura. Let's get rid of the effects on both of those so we don't see it. Let's get rid of hits friendly, hits allied, and make it so it only hits itself. Same thing with this, hits friendly, hits enemy, hits self only. Once again, going through all of them, and then one more time. And let's try this. And it's still not killing itself. Wow. We're gonna go to building again, house, work node house. And now we're gonna test it. There we go. You can repeat this for all of the buildings in this. You can make it for buildings like houses, castles, wolf dens, anything. The exact same process where you make it do an auto-casted make unit command where it will create the unit in its place, along with a damage value for negative regen for however much health it is, with at the same time regen rates of the health of the building divided by the build time. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you like it, and subscribe.